Insulation is an important part of any furnace or industrial oven. The job of insulation is to prevent heat from going out and to maintain the temperature. Generally, insulation brick is used in making furnace. The insulation brick has the risk of breaking the insulation due to thermal shock. It takes a long time for the furnace to heat up in the insulation brick. Insulation brick furnace consumes a lot of electricity to reach the specified degree temperature. Furnaces with insulation bricks have a lot of weight. Due to these drawbacks of insulation brick, nowadays some furnace manufacturers are replacing insulation brick with ceramic fiber blanket. But ceramic fiber blankets also have some drawbacks. Ceramic fiber blanket furnaces get damaged due to excessive heat. Ceramic fiber blanket furnaces do not last long. Omtech Systems is a leading manufacturer of furnaces and industrial ovens which do not use insulation brick or ceramic fiber blankets. Omtech Systems manufactures furnaces and ovens from high-quality imported ceramic fiber boards. The technology of Omtech Systems is different from other furnace and oven manufacturers. Because of this, Omtech Systems furnaces and ovens are of high quality and their performance is many times better than others. Omtech Systems use high-quality original heating elements like Canthal A1 and Canthal APM. Omtech Systems specializes in manufacturing of 1800-degree high-tech furnaces and ovens. Omtech Systems also manufacture high-tech CVD systems.